Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you top tricks for your earbuds HUAWEI FREEBUDS SE2. And the first one that these earbuds have gestures, and with these gestures you can play or pause the song, you can play next or previous track, you can call voice assistant, and this touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have it, and you can modify it in the application. So maybe let's open HUAWEI Life application, and as you can see right here we have gesture control, so you can change some features here. Next one, that you can improve your listening experience by changing equalizer presets, and right here we have 4 of them what HUAWEI offer for us, and my favorite is a bass boost. I recommended to use it, but you can also select something else. Next one, if you lose your earbuds somewhere, you can use an application to find it, and right here we have a button Find Earphones, so you just click on it and then you can play a song at both of your earbuds and locate them, and then just stop it. Also, I tested microphone at these earbuds, and at least for this price, these earbuds have really good microphone. It mutes street sounds. Also I hear my own voice clear. And the last one is if you have some trouble with your earbuds, you can easily perform a factory reset. To perform a factory reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and then you need to press and hold both of these touch areas until the LED light flashed red, and then you just reconnect it, and with this method you can fix a lot of problem with your earbuds. But we can video about it, so if you don't know how, you can also watch that video. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.